Alright, listen. What if I tell you that you can use every Google AI model like Gemini, Imagen, VO3, Bard, Code, Music LM, and even those future Google models that are not even released yet, all inside one single dashboard. And the crazy part is, you don't need coding, you don't need an API key, and you don't even need monthly payments. I know it sounds impossible because honestly, even I wouldn't have believed it earlier. The tool I'm talking about is called GoogleVault. So before we jump into the demo, let me explain what exactly is GoogleVault. Well, think of GoogleVault like a giant control center where every single Google AI tool is connected in one dashboard. Normally, Google releases all its AI models separately. Like Gemini is somewhere else, Imagen is somewhere else, View is on a different page, Bard has its own place, Music LM somewhere else. And the biggest headache is that many of those tools aren't even publicly available. Some require API keys, some need coding, and some are completely restricted unless you know how to use Google's developer tools. Google Vault basically takes all this complexity and crosses it. Instead of you running behind 10 different Google tools, Google Vault puts all current Google AI models and all future Google models in one simple interface. Everything is already connected. Everything is already set up. Alright, now let me take you straight inside the dashboard so you know exactly what you will see after you log in. So this is the dashboard of Google Vault. On the left side, you will see a vertical panel. This is basically your main control area. Here you will find all the Google AI tools that Google Vault gives you access to. You will see options like Gemini 2.5 Flash. This is your chat and content model. Then there is Imagen, your image generator, VO 3.1, Google's AI video generator, CodeGemma, the coding assistant that can literally build apps and scripts for you. Then Google TTS, which is Google's text-to-speech tool. And finally, a section called MyVault, where all your creations get saved automatically. So imagine this left panel as your toolkit. Whatever you need, like writing, images, videos, code, voice, everything is just one click away. Now, when you look at the middle section of the screen, this is where all the action happens. This is the workspace. Depending on which tool you click, this middle area will change, okay? Also, you will see templates here like blog post outline, social media ad, product demo and marketing email. These templates are built to save your time if you don't want to start from scratch, okay? And I will tell you one thing from my experience, templates are underrated. I mean, people ignore them, but they save hours. So whenever you are stuck or don't know where to start, check this section first. On the right side, you will see something very useful. Google Vault shows you your latest creations along with some quick stats, like how many times you have generated today, how many images or videos you have created, things like that. And if you click on the View All in Vault button, you will be taken to a full library where every AI generated asset you have ever made is stored safely. So even if you forget to download something, it's there, nothing gets lost. So let's start with Gemini 2.5 Flash because this is probably the tool you will use the most. So as soon as you click on it, you will see a simple chat style box at the bottom, and the beauty of Gemini is that it understands almost everything like ideas, research, questions, scripts, explanations, rewriting, anything. Just type whatever you need help with and Gemini will give you the answer, okay? Next, let's move to Imagen. Using Imagen is extremely simple. You can either type your own idea or copy a prompt you generated using Gemini. Once your prompt is ready, you will notice options like style selection and quality adjustment. Styles are basically different art types like realistic, 3D, cinematic, anime, etc. Right? Whatever you need for your project. After selecting your style, just click generate and within a few seconds, you will get your final image. And this is where Google's quality honestly shines. The detailing, the sharpness, the lighting, it all looks super professional, and when you like the image, just click the download button. Now let's move on to the VO 3.1. This is my personal favorite because this is the tool that makes videos using only text. When you click on VO, you will see a simple text box. Just type what kind of video you want. It can be an ad, a short clip, a montage, anything, and then hit the generate button. And within a few moments, you will see multiple AI generated video options. You can click on any video to preview it, and if you like it, click the 3 dots in the bottom corner to download it. A quick tip here, the more descriptive your prompt is, the more accurate your video becomes. Don't be afraid to add small details like the camera angle or mode. View handles it beautifully. Next is CodeGemma. And trust me, even if you never written a single line of code in your life, this tool can still help you build apps or scripts. So you just type what you want, then hit enter. CodeGemma generates clean, ready-to-use code. Beginners can use it to learn, developers can use it to speed up work, and freelancers can use it to deliver client projects faster. Now let's talk about the Google TTS tool, because this one part needs proper clarity. So when you open the TTS tool for the first time, you will see a button that says sign in with Pooter. This is important. GoogleVault uses Pooter as the backend to generate unlimited text-to-speech audio. But don't worry, this process is very simple. You click the sign in button, a small pop-up appears, you enter your details, and once you create your free Pooter account, that pop-up closes on its own. After that, the top bar will show you a message saying ready to generate speech. Now, your TTS tool is fully activated. Just type the text or voiceover script you want. Then choose your preferred language, select whether you want a male or female voice, choose the quality and hit generate speech. Within seconds, your audio is ready and you can download it directly. So that was the full tutorial. So overall, yes, GoogleVault is 100% worth it, especially if you want an all-in-one tool that gives you access to current and future Google AI models with zero hassles. And listen, if you are planning to buy GoogleVault, make sure you use the link in my description, because when you buy from my link, I'm giving you exclusive bonuses that no one else is offering. I have put together a special bonus bundle with premium softwares, premium courses, tools that will help you master AI, and many more things. I have made a complete bonus page where you can see every single bonus you will get, okay? So just check out the link in the description box.